The chocolate too? Beehives. Some fresh honey. Sue doesn't trust the honey. Protected area. Geez, this road's steep. Curves everywhere. Lucky the brakes work. Oh, Suey is way down there, but take it easy. Curvy road down here. You can't see how steep it is, but oh, look at that. Alright, off the camera, hand on brakes. Beer factory. Something. Okay, so we can see the main road again. These guys are running new lines. And we're not going to stay the night. Gong Gang Zi, Lao Yang, Gong Chang Ling. Don't know those places. I know Lao Yang, that's really cool. Oh. Late in the afternoon, probably get home at night. All good. Who plays? Sounds nice. This farmer's got a nice big house. Beautiful. Looks like someone lost half their house when they put the new road through. Well, we're a little bit lost. Dancing aunties. Alright, so we have to go under this freeway. Okay, here we go. What a road. I missed the good road. Oh, boop, boop, boop. Alright. Now we're going to head through some little villages with lots of little farmhouses. So, that's a Chinese toad. Ribbit.
I'm eating this.
Taking this through, give me a look at your light. We're taking this road through the valley. It's just really bad. It's the worst road I've ever ridden on. It's hard to see, it's full of mozzies. It's just bumpity bump. Just got to take it real easy so we don't damage the bike or damage my cycle. Oh, there's just potholes everywhere. Crazy. Keep coming past these signs. And it says, you can't really see in my camera. It says, beware of falling rocks. What does it say in Chinese, Sui?
Welcome again.
Oh, welcome again. No, thanks. Because up on the mountains up there, there's big dump trucks dumping loads of rubble. We can hear the rocks rumbling down the hill. Man, this is a nightmare road. Anyway, lucky we got a light.
就全是这样坑坑洼洼的道，走老心了。来的时候走的时候不是这道，这回的时候走的这道。
They've got to spot here all these trucks though. We don't know what we're going to do. These are the trucks dumping all this stuff on top of the road. Look at the size of this thing coming past, Louis. There's a mining truck, look at that. Oh my goodness. They're building a mountain up there. Unbelievable. So they opened the gates for us and those other ones closed. Man, this man's the gate man. We've still got to go more shitty road to get home. Back through the tunnel. It's like 9:30. Quicker than we thought we would.